Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Theri dubbed the resignation of Ghulam Nabi Azad from the Congress party as wrong. In a press release on Sunday, Theri said that Ghulam Nabi Azad dumping the Congress workers across the nation who were looking at his leadership to contribute in this difficult time does not go down well. It hurts, the NPCC president further added. The NPCC chief said that Azad had all the platforms to ventilate what he feels for the party and the nation. Stating that he did so in what the media calls G23, Theri said things were moving towards correction in line with what they advised. If he was interested, he could have filed a nomination for any post to serve the INC. He has nurtured the Congress party for over 40 years, Theri added. 5 suspected poachers were nabbed for killing a Royal Bengal tiger inside the Kohora range in Kaziranga National Park. They were caught by the officials of the Forest Department based on specific inputs. They were arrested from the number 1 Shildubi area of the range. As per reports, the suspected poachers were identified as Shamol Suklabaidya, Hira Munda, Jairam Chora, Sanjay Chora and Rajesh Govala. The arrested persons were arrested in connection with the poaching of a tigress earlier in February this year. The tigress was found dead in Silbudi, which is located in a prime tourist zone of the park. It has been reported that the tigress died after being poisoned. A cow carcass was also found near the spot where the female tiger was found dead, and the carcass of the cow was the main source where the poison was planted. Mizoram COVID-19 curve continues to show a downward trend as the state reported 21 new COVID-19 cases on Monday, 51 less than the previous day, with the tally increasing to 236,864, a health official said. The death toll rose to 720 as 3 more persons have succumbed to the infection in the last 24 hours, he said. The fresh cases were reported from 5 districts, with Lungli registering the highest at 10, followed by Saitual 6 and Champai and Aizawl, which reported 2 cases each. The number of active cases now stands at 589, while a total of 235,555 people have recuperated from the infection, including 72 on Sunday. The Centre for Wildlife Rehabilitation and Conservation is a well-known name in the field of wildlife rescue and rehabilitation in India. CWRC was established in Panbari near Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve of Assam on August 28, 2002 to provide emergency care, treatment and rehabilitation to indigenous wild animals that are displaced due to various reasons. CWRC is a joint initiative of the Assam Forest Department, Wildlife Trust of India and International Fund for Animal Welfare. It is the only facility of its kind in India to have successfully addressed the welfare and conservation of species like elephants, leopards, rhinos, tigers, clouded leopards, black bears, wild buffaloes and many others. CWRC completed the 2-decade-long journey of its service to the wildlife of Assam and beyond on August 28, 2022.